Hey guys, how's it going? How to use FTP for file management on Hostinger. First of all, go ahead to the official website and make sure to buy the best plan to get the best features. And if you want the best plan, please visit the link in the description box. Now, what we're gonna do, we're gonna go ahead to the official website, and in order to use FTP for file management on Hostinger, we need to connect your account using FTP. So first of all, you have installed FileZilla client version on your device, right? Make sure you have your FTP information at hand. You can find it by opening websites and then manage and searching for FTP accounts on the sidebar and clicking on it. And you can also find detailed guide on how to obtain the FTP information from here. Okay, if you want to know how to obtain it, right? And there you'll be able to see same setting. You will see your FTP details, FTP IP and host name, FTP username, FTP port, etc. Right, and get to see the FTP password. You can also see the main FTP details in the details page. Right now, connection. First, direct access. Open the FileZilla, right, and fill in the QuickNet section with the FTP details you got from the FTP account section. Host, the FTP IP, user, which is your FTP username, port, which is the 21, right? And then next, click on Quick Connect, and you'll be able to connect. You'll be connected to the FTP server. And if you encounter any unknown certificate message, check the always trust the certificate in the future sessions options, and then click OK. And then in the file site manager, unlike direct access with site manager, you are able to save your previous connection details. Okay, and you're gonna be able to open the file site manager and FileZilla right here, right? And basically set the configuration you got from the FTP account section: protocol, host, port, encryption, logon type, a login type, and the user. Okay, and then basically you're gonna see right here, right, after you added all that and fill in all of that information, you're gonna click on connect, and you'll be connected to the FTP server. That's it. Now you know how to connect your FTP account using FileZilla, and from there you're gonna be able to use FTP for the file management on Hostinger, right? So let's run on the comments of this video. Hope you don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.